Yankees taking on the Angels. Masahiro Tanaka hoping for a good night on the mound, as Aaron Judge is hoping for a good night at the plate. We'll take you to the top of the first. Garrett Richards facing Gary Sanchez.
3-1 to Sanchez, and it's a base hit down the left field line into the corner. Gregorius scores. Stanton will hold at third. 22nd run batted in of the season for Sanchez. And the Yankees have taken a 2-0 lead. Now the 3-1 to Andujar. And he sends this one to deep left field. It's off the wall. Another extra base hit for Andujar. Here comes Walker. He scores the 5th run for the Yankees.
And it'll be a 1-2 to Judge. Line like a bullet, base hit in the gap in left center. It's going to go all the way to the wall. Gardner could walk home. It's a double for Judge, a ribby double. He hit an absolute bullet. A runner's lead. Line like a bullet. Base hit over first. Down the right field line. Rolling to the right field corner. Judge has scored. Now let's see if Sanchez can score. They're going to send him. The relay throw is not in time. It is a 2-run double for Aaron Hicks. And the pitch swung on and line to base hit to left field. Rounding third, Walker, he'll score. And the Yankees, unbelievably, take a 10-0 second inning lead. Here's a 2-2 to Cozart. He struck him out swing on a splitter. 3-2. His strike 3 call. Struck him out swinging splitter. Masahiro goes 6 innings, 9 strikeouts, 2 walks. He was great.
The red-hot Yankees go on to win this one 11-1, their 8th straight victory. The Yankees bat around in each of the first 2 innings for the first time since July 24th, 2007. Aaron Judge had a good night at the plate, 3 for 6 with a double, 2 runs and an RBI.